Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to be showing you how I go about looking after my lawn. It's not been cut for several days because of the weather. I'm over all these pots. What I'll be doing is splitting it in half, doing half with the lawn rake, which I have here, and mowing it, and then using the fork just to aerate it. So all you do is stick your fork in like that, down, backwards and forwards, producing holes that help the roots expand. So first of all, I'll get these pots moved. Won't be a second. Right, here we go. I always make sure that my lawnmower is set on the lowest setting. So this is the way I just put the lawnmower on the front like that. Right back to the low front. Always make sure that your blades are sharp as well. You don't want to be tearing the grass. So once that's done like that, I never cut the grass either. Just added something called mulching, which is the grass patch is taken off. This is left down flat like that. And then I go about mowing it that way. Right, it's been cut now. What I'm going to do is just leave it to dry off a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and give it a rake, give it its second cut, and then spike it to aerate it. So let's get back to you shortly. Come back, ladies and gentlemen. I have finished cutting the lawn. I've left it half an hour just to dry out. All I'm going to be doing now is scarifying it, which is using a lawn rake just to get all the dead and rotten material and get the grass higher, get some air in there, and then mow it again. Right, as you can see, we've got all this that's been dug up. There's moss in there, there's dead leaves, yellow grass as well, that's not getting a fair. So once I've done all this, I shall mow it again before I then aerate it. That's that done. I shall then give it a quick mow on the shortest setting. It's been scarified my lawn now, so all I've got to do now is aerate it. So if you haven't got a core taken, which takes, you press it down, it takes 4 or 5 cores that are a couple inch deep. I just use a fork. So get the camera set up and I'll show you how I'll go about aerating your lawn. Get this set up nicely. Okay, right, that should be alright. Yeah, so you get your fork like so. Just down a few inches, about maybe 12 inches. Nice and round, like so. So once that's been done, what you can do, you can leave it like that, or you can then get some fine sand and put it on and brush it into the holes. What this does is help with the root development to your grass. Give it more space to stop it being compacted. So let's do a few more. Like I said, every probably 8 to 12 inches distance between each one. Right, once I've done that, I shall then get some all-purpose liquid feed and give it a good feed. We'll see the results shortly. In a couple of days you see the difference. So yeah, that's how to scarify and aerate your lawn. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask. If you like my videos, folks, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Please keep safe and please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Thank you, bye.